this funky Tiki totem box. The island life. Floral Fun. Blue Gator because Florida. Take that, coupon senders. Under the sea. In the mail on the donkey. Don't let Taz bite your hand. Bob the Builder definitely lives here. Welcome. This one might take a second. Manatee. A mailbox for the internet age. Talk to the hand. Mailman's best friend. Screaming Snowman.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.